Hello everyone. In the lecture series of digital and social media marketing, today we will discuss about the contemporary digital revolution. See what is digital revolution and why it is so important to understand. Because you can say that digital revolution is you can say it is the advancement of technology from analog, electronic and mechanical devices to the digital technology available today. If you compare the previous technology with the latest technology, you will find out that earlier days it was analog form. So if you talk about the multimeter, right, it was in the form of analog. So the measuring equipment was also in the form of analog. Now the things are changing because these analog devices are converted into digital form. So you can get easiest way to record or to maintain the data. So therefore you can say that it is started in the year of 1980s and the things are quite changing. It is in the present form. You can see that in the case of the computers, in the case of shopping, in the case of mailing system, in the case of televisions, in the case of worldwide, in the case of sound or music, you will find out that it was started in the form of recorders, right, cassette recorders, but the things are now in the digital form. You can store maximum data, right. So in the form of mobile phone also, because the landline phones are now converted into the mobile phones, tablets. So the things are quite changing. Our recording system, record system also, because when we are talking about the documentation, it was a very tedious job to maintain a record of the documents. So because this time we have space is not the problem right now, because we are on the cloud. So we can use the advancement technology so that we can store much data as compared to the previous. So digital revolution also marks the beginning of the information era. Information era means because we can keep the data, we can send the data, we can recall the data in the form of information which were recorded. So therefore it is quite easy that in the present days that we can store the data much. So you can say that if we are talking about the entire world, the world has moved out of the digital revolution into the information age. So other, you can say that they are believing that the digital revolution has just begun. The argument behind this is that these digital advances are now changing in industrial sectors. See, for talking about, because the things which were treated as a complicated now in the industrial sectors also, you will find out the things are not so complicated. For example, if we talk about the three-dimensional printing and computer design, which are constantly advancing and contributing to the science. So particularly in the area of robot design, some of these robots now work with the humans and some organizations work with only robots. So you can say that it will आप ये कह सकते हैं कि it will be not too far that the robots can take over the charge of the human, right. So you can say that this technological advancement has actually increased manufacturing output, because there are so many advancement in the manufacturing sectors also, where we are using the CNC machines, robotics and automation systems, so that the operations are quite simple and very fast and accurate. So therefore you can say that the things are moving in the manufacturing also very fast. So the digital revolution has just, you can say, recently begun to have an impact on the medical industry as well. As medical industry means, you can say that also doing, you can say, the operations, the critical operations, right. So the chances of such type of operations are, you can say, it is a 90%. So this will be the particularly important to the genetic medicines and the use of the genetic information for personalized treatment plans. See, one thing is certain, that the digital revolution has changed human lives, bringing with it both positive and negative aspect. अगर हम बात करें किसी भी टेक्नोलॉजी की, if the technology has the positive sides, this technology will also have some negative sides also. So if we are talking about, we all know that if the robots are taking the responsibility of a human being, right? So on the other side, the peoples are losing their jobs also. The unemployment is also increasing. So this is the negative aspect. So these changes are only expected to continue growing in the future, and we cannot control in the future also, because the future will depends upon much and more and more on the digital side. So what will be the future of social media look like from this perspective of the user? A brand and social media monitor managers are doing a lot of work where they are simplifying to marketing their product. So let us now take a good look at the many possible trends we could be seen as soon as possible. Next is you can say that the digital revolution is also treated as a third industrial revolution. As I told you that things are moving very fast in the present scenario, or some people are thinking it is just started. So because the electronic equipment are now converted into the digital form, so therefore, you can say that the widespread diffusion of the telecommunication and computer technology that is creating entirely new ways of working and socializing, as well as the challenging and even destroying many others. So it is the change from analog, mechanical and electronic technology to digital technology. The expression used to denote the extraordinary transition in media communication devices from analog from to a form of expressing the discrete digits. So discrete digits means in the form of bytes. Therefore, we have to understand that how the things are changing from the continuous linear signal representing information to the bytes, and it is actually it is started in the early of 1980. So you can see here that in the case of the digital transformation is the process which are, or you can say it is the combination of the five main factors, which is the first one is the digital business strategies. You know that as compared to the previous marketing strategies or business strategies, the things are on the platform of internet, or you can say in the form of digital. So whatever strategy we are adopting here for the marketing purpose, these are basically increasing, and it leads to the digitalization of the services also. So the culture of the marketing is totally changed. Next is the staff and customer engagement, because the staff who is now familiar with the digital platform, or the things are which are changing in from the analog to digital. So because if we talk about your post office, अगर हम एक एग्जांपल लें से पोस्ट ऑफिस, तो पोस्ट ऑफिस में क्या था कि पहले सारा का सारा काम आपका हार्डवेयर पे होता था। सब कुछ आपका जितना भी सिस्टम था वो पहले लेटर्स को सेग्रीगेट करना, उनको एरिया वाइज, उनको सिटी वाइज, और उस तरीके से इट वाज अ टीडियस जॉब and time consuming. Now the things are totally changed because the peoples are not using their hardware systems. Money orders कितने लोग करते हैं, right? So the engagement of the staff and customers are totally changed. Therefore, on the other side, the process and process is also changed, because if we talk about the manufacturing processes, you can see that it was if you compare with the previous processes with the today's processes in the industry, you will find out the time is money. So because we can simplify the work using CNC machines, using automation system, using robotics, and you can minimize the time, delay time, so that you can say that the process is quite changing. And if it is found that if there is any problem, right, so you can easily modify the process and you can do for the innovation also. So next is the technology, because the technology you can say that it is a digital transformation. Time is basically we are changing very fast, things are moving very, information is also moving very fast. Therefore, you can say that this is basically the technological era. And next is the data and analytics, because data is stored, and you on the basis of the data or collection of data you can go for the final decision making is quite easy. And you can say that analytics means, if you see the digital platform where the analytics, Google Analytics, or you can say YouTube Analytics, you will find out. Let me take one example for you so that you can understand better the analytics means. Suppose if you watch any YouTube channel, right, you just check their analytic page also, just below. You will find out that in this analytic page you will find out that you will get one graph. ग्राफ इज शोइंग दैट व्हेन, जब आपने वो यूट्यूब चैनल बनाया था या जो भी वीडियो लोड किया है, तब से लेकर के अब तक कितने लोगों ने उसको वॉच किया है और कितने बार वॉच किया है, कितने समय के लिए वॉच किया है। ऑल दीज इंफॉर्मेशंस आर ऑटोमेटिकली रिकॉर्डेड इन द डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म. So this is the advancement where you can see and you can change or you can monitor your channels also. So similarly you can check on your digital platform where you can see the um, social media platform where you can check how the advertisements are going on, how many people are watching, right, what is the impact in the area wise, or you can say that how many what are the conversion rate. All these things can be find out with the help of analytics. So it can be used inside the evidence based decision making. Without it there is a simply stagnation. Next is, this is a very interesting slide where we will see in depth that a brief history of the digital revolution. अगर हम देखें कि 1947 से लेकर के आज तक, or say you can say that in the year of continuing to up to 2016, how the things were changed और किस तरीके से रिक्वायरमेंट्स बढ़ी हैं और डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म को लोगों ने यूज़ किया है, एडवांसमेंट्स हुए हैं, कैसे कैसे चीज़ें डेवलप हुई हैं. सो नाउ बिकॉज यू जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड इन डिटेल, आई विल कंसिडर ओनली फ्यू area where the major things were changed. For example, let us start from 1947 to 1979, right, or you can say up to say 1972. See, a transistor which was introduced in 1947, and it was settled the way for the development of advanced digital computers. So therefore the government, military and other organizations made use of computer systems during the 1950s and 1960s. This research eventually led to the creation of the World Wide Web, WWW. So in the year of 1980s की अगर हम बात करें तो उसमें कंप्यूटर का फिर एडवांसमेंट हुआ था, जिसमें कि सारे लोग कंप्यूटर के साथ जुड़ना शुरू हो गए थे. So the computer became a familiar machine, and by the end of this decade, you can say being able to use one became a necessary for many jobs. The first cell phone was also introduced during this decade. जो पहला मोबाइल फ़ोन आया था वो भी आपका इसी टाइम में आया था. और अगर हम बात करें इन 1990s की, सो बाय 1992 the WWW had been introduced, and by 1996 the internet became a normal part of most business operations. So by the late 1990s the internet became a part of everyday life for almost half of the American peoples. So if we talk about the 2000s, by this decade the digital revolution had become, or you can say had begun to spread all over the developing world. Mobile phones were commonly seen. The number of internet users, you can say, continued to grow, and the television started to transition from using analog to digital signals. तो टेलीविज़न का भी जो कन्वर्जन हुआ था आपका फेस था, जिसमें कि वो एनालॉग से डिजिटल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हुआ था इन द ईयर ऑफ 2000। इसके बाद फिर 2010 और उसके आगे की अगर हम बात करें, so you can see here that Apple launched of the iPad, people tablet computers into the you can say mainstreams. So because by this decade, internet makes up more than 25% of the world population. तब तक हम सभी लोग जो है इंटरनेट को सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करना शुरू कर चुके थे, और many information we were getting from the internet rather than the media, or you can say that this you can say the news channels. So mobile communications has also become very important, as nearly 70% of the world populations owns a mobile phone, and the connection between the internet website and mobile gadgets had becomes a standard in communications. So it is predicted that by 2015, the innovation of tablet computers will surpass personal computers with the use of the internet and the promise of cloud computing services. Because this time there was no you can say that the problem, actually पहले प्रॉब्लम क्या थी कि स्टोरेज की प्रॉब्लम थी कि भाई डाटा स्टोर कहाँ करें और कितना स्टोर करें, राइट। सर्वर्स होते थे और उन सर्वर्स में वो सारा डाटा स्टोर किया जाता था। But you can observe that due to the cloud computing services, you will find out that there is no storage problem, right? You can store much data. You see, for example, you just think about that how many people are using free Gmail account, right? You can see that you can store your mobile data in the cloud, so that there are so many services which are connected with the cloud system, and the clouds computing is giving their services such that there is no problem of the space. So this will allow user to consume media and user use businesses application on their mobile devices, whereas the applications that would otherwise be too much for the such devices to the handle. So since we all living in the information age, from healthcare to education, technology which has transformed out lives, and the digital revolution showed no sign of showing down. So this is continuously it is increasing. You can see this entire diagram. You will see that how the things are changing, and it is increasing and increasing, right? Now, here we will discuss that what the digital future holds. See, कैसे चीज़ें आगे बढ़ेंगी और क्या डिजिटल फ्यूचर इनका होगा, जिस तरीके से हम लोग मूव कर रहे हैं आगे की तरफ, राइट। वी आर यूजिंग ऑल द थिंग्स विच आर कनेक्टेड विद द इंटरनेट. You can see the left picture where the you are using here the smart home. You can use the lights are also connected with the internet. You can see the televisions are you can say that it is smart televisions, smartphones, your web camera, okay, your home appliances, your electronic gadgets are also changed. You can see your watches, wrist watches converted into your digital watch. So the things are totally changed if you consider with the previous gadgets or all these electronic equipments which were using, or mechanical instruments which were using. Now the things are totally changed. So if we talk about that what will be the future which will of the digital, you can say that it is the more privacy and security on the cards. See, in social media, it is quite important for brands to look for and implement methods in building trust among the customers. As I told you that the trust is very important thing, and all companies now trying to build their trust. अगर suppose if the purpose of the company is to just sell their product, or to grab their market, or to cheat their market, it is not the right thing. And you can say it is not advisable for any you can say that industry or any market. So Here this you can say start with how they connect with the audiences. We can say that the future of the social media will see a rise in user opting for an option known as dark social. It is basically involves online social interaction taking place privately in messaging apps, emails, and other social outlets for the sake of private sharing. In fact, around 84% of the outbound sharing of consumers done from websites is now done privately. So, dark social channels like these will be on the rise in the next few years. So, this is basically you can say it will create the more privacy and security on the cards. Similarly, in the case of, say, for example, if you are using your debit card or credit card, the things you can see that you are observing the hacking is also a problem. So this is one of the serious problem because many you can say that digital services we they are because they are also service provider, so they are also thinking that how to reduce the risk of the people so that they can create more trust among the people. नेक्स्ट इज द मोर कंसंट्रेशन ऑन वीडियो. अभी तक जो था हम लोग वीडियोस पे कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं, राइट. यू कैन वॉच द से 30 20 years जो ओल्ड वीडियोस हैं, इफ़ यू कंपेयर with the today videos, you will find out so many changes, right? So you can say that in the next few years almost 60% of the content will be based on video, and that video consumption through social media is on their rise. तो ये सारी चीज़ें बढ़ेंगी, राइट, एंड इट विल इंक्रीज वेरी फास्ट एंड देयर you can say that their design and content will also change. So it is estimated that people look at videos 5 times more than they look at static contents like images and text on both Facebook and Instagram, because you can see or you can observe that peoples are not only loading their photograph, their text material. You are watching so many videos on their Facebook. This is a revolution, you can say that. आप अभी भी इस चीज़ को वॉच कर सकते हैं कि देयर आर सो मैनी एडवर्टाइजिंग वीडियोज विच आर running on the Facebook page, your Facebook page, whether you want to see or not. But if it is loaded, then you will click on the Facebook page. You will see that how the things are going on, right? So consequently, it is almost a guarantee that social media users will be seeing more videos all over social media. So live videos will also become more popular given their recent success in the future. So this is basically that companies or digital platform will focus on more and more on video preparations. Next is a reduction in personal content and a rise in memes. See, Facebook claims that they observed a drop of 21% in original and personal updates in 2016 as a new users now communicate and shared articles and you can say that these memes solely. In general, social media users are sharing less personal information across major network due to a preferences to showcase external contents such as interesting videos, humorous and other their social articles. So because you can see that not only people are sharing their personal videos, also they are sharing their personal informations. In the future they will go for the confidential, they will go to hide their personal contents, right? So this will be the future, and the on the other side the Facebook is also trying to preserve or you can say providing a safety for the hacking. आप लोग देखते होंगे because this time we are using a single user and password, So single user and password means that Google password is using for the email, Facebook, or all the, because all these platforms, YouTube, LinkedIn, and all these passwords are connected to each other. So if you are sharing your password of one digital platform, it is interconnected with the other also. So this way you can reduce the hacking by minimizing the personal information. Next is the mobile centric experience. See, mobile centric sorry fourth one is the consumer preferences for fewer ads and premium services. ये क्या है? अगर हम बात करें कि सोशल मीडिया एड्स की, राइट, most social media users not only are fed up with them, but also with no one ever added them on social media. So however, a lot of people have sacrificed ad free experiences with the free app experiences saturated with ads. So premium services can be on the rise as well as social media user preferably high quality images, videos, and audio. This is what they have become used to the recent times. Only time will tell if they are willing to spend more money on such or not. See, basically what happening, if you see the quality of the video and the quality of audio, images, this time the social media are using very high quality videos. I can give you one example. See, there are some options also available. For example, if you are talking about your channel, this is uh, your YouTube channel. This is you can say that. Suppose if you are say watching Amazon Prime Time, you will see that by default the they are using a very high video quality. But if you go for the setting, you will check there that there are three options which are available. One is a normal quality of video which is taking very low data speed. Second is the good quality, and the third is the high definition, or you can say that very high quality of the video services. Now the very high quality video services is taking much data in an hour. So you can check on the site also, and because I have gone through, you I have checked whether these are how these things are going on. So you can also experience that on the similar way you will find out in the music also, where you can download the music in very high quality and in very low quality or poor quality, and this you can also absorb by just comparing the data which is used, or you can say that the capacity of the file which is stored in your system. Next is the mobile centering experience. See, social media future is mobile, and by 2020, an estimated 3 billion peoples will have access to mobile phones. In addition, a lot more people are now using their smartphones as the primary source for accessing social media platform. This is the reason why future platform will be designed with a smartphone in mind, and from the conception, and you can say that because the things peoples are very comfortable with the mobile phone or smartphone. They are watching the videos and animations, they are watching you can say advertisement. So how the things are, you can see that it is very convenient for the user also. On the same time, the companies are also thinking that they have to create more and more videos or their companions on their mobile phones. Next is no need to type a lot of words. See, it is said that around 50% of online searches will be conducted through image and voice by the year of 2020. With voice and image search become quite popular alongside audio messages, and social media could see the act of typing become antique soon. Because as I told you so many times that the things which are available in the form of picture. For example, if we take these two examples, I'm going to show you these two pictures. you can easily understand that what is the role of internet. If you see the first picture, internet of things, IoT, so you can better understand with the help of this picture. This picture is self-explanatory and giving you lot of information that how your life is dependent, or you can it is connected with the internet. There is no need to describe in words, there is no need to explain much, because you can easily get the things, or you can easily understand that how these things are communicated with the help of pictures. Similarly, on the second picture, where you can see that some you can say that cartoons which I have used here to show you that how these platforms are used to communicate you the information. So you can say that these things will be obsolete very soon. Next is the more emphasis on visuals. So with social media platforms such as Instagram and Snapchat become popular, there has been a, you can say, unexpected rise in visual contents. So camera access is now easier than before. You can see that because with all phones having a built-in camera, the photos and videos will be easily uploaded on the social media, can be captured and upload on the social media, because there is no need to record the data. Many students are doing this thing. Suppose अगर हम बात करें कि if there is any notice, what you are doing, you just taking a snap of the notice and taking as a record, right? So because capturing is very easy, because the mobile phone having a this facility of the camera, and you can see that digital camera is also nowadays it is you can say that is outdated. How many people are using the digital camera? No one, because mobile phone is having a very good quality camera, and you are using the same for capturing the photos or videos also, right? So because the storing capacity is not a issue in today, so that you can store the much data. Next is, in the future, you will find out the influence of AR and VR has just started. But in future, you will find out that it will be more and more user friendly. For example, the market in the world will now be introducing more practical applications, and virtual reality, this has the same which can also apply to social media platform. So Hotsuite, which reveals that the social messaging apps of like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, WeChat, or some other platforms, right? They will be using AR to raise advertising revenue soon. So therefore, the technology is one of the fastest growing industry present today, and AR and VR not an exception. So in future, you will find out that the VR, it means the virtual reality, will be very useful and popular for the many things where you can see the detail in the videos. So thank you very much.